I have a 2001 Ford F150, and it comes with these really skinny mirrors that just move. Sometimes when the wind blows them, they move over a little bit. So anyway, let me show you what I've bought here. I bought these from autoparts.com. They're the OEM style mirror that normally comes on the Ford F150s. And it's packaged really well. That's the backing plate for the mirror. In a nice cloth bag that it's shipped in. This is, of course, the non-electric mirror that comes with this unit. Man, it's really good quality. Anyway, you can see how much bigger this thing is compared to the mirror that I have. So there's the difference. So I'm going to be installing these, and I'll be showing how to do that. On my vehicle, I do not have the electric windows, so I'll be removing this. I'll be popping this ring out, and I'll also be removing this piece here, and there should be a screw there and a screw there behind here whenever I get that off. And then of course you just lift up on the panel itself, and it comes straight up. I've seen some people say it's better to push that down so you don't break it off. I don't know. So I'm going to start working on that. The way you get this handle off is I'll just basically pry it right there and pull that off. And the relentless dinging is, boy, if anybody knows how to fix this, let me know. I got my keys out. It just does this all the time. I've just kind of gotten used to it. But there's a Phillips head screw right there. I'm going to pull that out, and then we'll keep going. Correction, it's a Torx head screw. This uses a T15 Torx. If some of you have the electric windows, you got this little piece that comes from here over to there. You pop it out from this end and slide it this direction, and then you can flip it over and loosen all your connections. That's how you get that loose. And this is the way you pop this loose. I use a plastic little fender puller knife. You can get these at Harbor Freight. As you notice, there's a Phillips screw head right there. First, I'm going to be pulling this bracket right here off. You basically pull out on this thing, and it's got these little clips like that. So it'll fight you, but just keep tugging on it. And there we go. So much for using a plastic tool to keep it from scratching. All right, and there's the other Phillips screwdriver, or Phillips bolt. I'm going to unscrew both of these and pull it out. Okay, both of the Phillips screw heads are pulled out, so I'm going to grab it right here, pull straight up. I'm going to do a little checking to see why it's not coming up. Okay, the best thing to do is grab it from the very bottom of the plastic right here and there. I actually just pulled it straight up just a little bit and it came loose. So everybody that's saying grab this handle, I don't know if it works for everybody. That seems to work better when I grab it from underneath. And then it lifts straight up. Of course it pulled out. And my truck doesn't have any fancy wires or lights on it. I believe some of the better made trucks with the electric windows have a little light cable that comes right here and connects here. You might want to untwist that before you totally pull this thing off. Anyway, that's basically the way this thing connects to your door. It's got these hooks right here that just hook in the little holes. So now we're gonna go for the mirror. Is that dinging bothering anybody yet? Boy, it's driving me crazy. Alright, looks like we've got 3 bolts right here. I'm gonna guess they're 10 millimeter, but let me check. Okay, these bolt holes are 11 millimeter. There's an 11 millimeter nut on there, or 7/16. I'll be taking these off, and then the mirror should come right off. Let me unloosen these real quick. Okay, all the nuts are off. Hopefully this will cooperate. There we go. Now to put the new one on. Okay, I'm about to mount this one on there. The holes line up and everything. It looks like it's gonna make a real nice fit. But I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, so no video for this. Sorry, guys. Okay, I haven't tightened it down yet completely. I just want to make sure it's making a good seal all the way around. All right, ready to go. Let me do some tightening on the inside. Okay, the mirror's in place. Like I said before, this is a manual mirror. It doesn't have any automation to it. This will fold in, I believe. It's got the mechanism that allows you to, or not. There we go. Alright, and for the final step, I'm going to put this back plate on here. I'm not really sure why it comes in 2 separate pieces, but it does. And it just snaps into place. Going back with it, make sure you line it up to where this is sticking back through. And of course, press it all back down into its correct spot. And right there's my holes. My holes are kind of lining up. I need to pull it up just a little bit, just to make that line up a little bit better. And then you put your handle back on, and you're good to go. Appreciate you guys watching. That was installation of the Cool View mirrors from carparts.com.